Nathon ni bob dim heblaw sgorio fel onast. Nathon ni creu digon o chances i cyrra 23 gêm, ond fel o'n i'n dweud, gyda stori tymor fel onast, ond unig peth ydyn ni'n neud wan di cael pwyntiau ar y gêm nesaf ac trio codi gymaint o bwyntiau fydden ni.
Listen, can't ask no more, the boys. The boys had a great goal. They had a great goal, and I think when we threw the kitchen sinker at the end of they've hit the post, haven't they, on the break, but we've left ourselves open a little bit going for the win, because that's what we need now. We need wins. Listen, there's 5 games to go. It ain't over till it's over.
Yeah, we've got to be pleased with it. It's just baby steps, as we've said from day one when I was asked to take over. But yeah, pleasing. You know, maybe we've come up on a Friday night, and yeah, it's been good overall. The boys put 100% in. That's all I've asked them for. That's all they can do. But every game has been a progression, and they're learning still. They're not going to stop learning, and let's hope that it carries on.
I said it last week on the interview last week. We'll give everything to get every point we can get, and try and keep ourselves in the league. Yeah, it's a big ask. It's a mountain to climb. Got Flint next. That's going to be a huge game, depending on how they go tomorrow. We'll see how it goes, but we'll take it game by game. We've got 5 left, 5 cup finals. We'll give everything to stay in the league. If we come up short, we come up short.
Mae'n anodd i'r tîm, mae gen i grŵp dda yn y stafell newid, ond dyn ni'n gwybod oedd yn rhaid ni cyrra'r gêm yna ac yn anffodus nathon ni ddim, ond eto mae rhaid ni gyd tynnu at ein gilydd fanna a trio cyrra'r gêm nesaf.
The league doesn't lie. The Welsh Premier is a demanding league now, and if you don't prepare correctly, problems happen. And I think tonight the 2 teams that are at the bottom, at times both teams showed some good football.
Next weekend we'll have a friendly, but it'll give us 2 or 3 good training nights to work on a few things. But you know, the amount of stuff we work on in training, you know, the video clips we watch, the analysis we do on the opposition, you know, we couldn't work any harder. Sometimes that doesn't translate onto the pitch. You could have played all night there and we probably wouldn't have scored. You know, I cannot fault the effort, commitment to the lads, everyone at the club, the backroom staff, Nigel, David, everyone have given everything this season under difficult circumstances. And you know, we may come up short, but like I just said, we'll keep going right to the very end.